So we are here today having our weekly grocery. It's not a lot that we need right now, but we need something to buy. Yeah, so we have to buy spinach, and this costs 26.90 Norwegian crowns. We also bought tomatoes, and this is 39.90 per kilogram. So this was the one that we bought. And then we also bought the first price salmon. This one here is salmon fillet, and it costs 52.40. Yes, 52.40 Norwegian crowns. We are thinking of making waffles. This one is for 6 portions, 23.90. Okay, let's get the bigger one, the 16 portions, and this costs 34.90. Okay, so this is tomato paste, right, Papa? And let me see. Okay, 15.20 Norwegian crowns. Yeah, we love tuna fish, and they have different versions or different varieties, but we used to get the one with the oil. What is this? Picnic canned good. This is chicken, right? And we used to add this to pasta and omelette, something like that. It costs 44.90 Norwegian crowns. So we got something that is this for sale? 50% sale dumplings. Oh, I love dumplings. And this one is with soya and citron grass. How much does this cost, Papa? Okay, 50% now at 19.50, so it's not that bad. Okay, so we are now here at the dairy product section, and we have to have the lactose-free milk for Mateo, and it costs how much? Okay, I think it's the one, that one, 31.90 Norwegian crowns. Okay, so we got also creme fraiche, which is also lactose free, so that Mateo will not get problems with his stomach. He usually gets a stomach ache if he got intake which contains lactose. And this creme fraiche costs 34.90 Norwegian crowns. We also have to have Hell milk, and this is 1 liter, 1.75 liters. So here are the prices. The 1 liter is the 1 liter milk is 20.19 Norwegian crowns. I couldn't find the price of this milk. This is 1.75 liters. This is for Drew, Sophia, and Elisha. It's only Mateo who needs lactose-free milk, so this one is for the 3 kids. Of course, I have to have cider, and this one is this flavor of Skogsbær. This costs 36.90 Norwegian crowns. This is one of my favorite flavors, and this cider costs 36.90 Norwegian crowns, 500 milliliter content. And the other one also that I like most is the taste of pear. So that's why I have it also here. And of course, it's Saturday, so we can have chips for today. Tortilla cheese and Pringles, this flavor. This is Drew's favorite. And that is the price of the Pringles. And the tortilla, let me check. Tortilla, okay, tortilla chips costs 29.90 Norwegian crowns. Actually, I also love cheese doodles, but it will be tortilla chips for today. Oh, we got also Coke and orange juice. I'm going to find the price of those items, and I think that those are the items that I haven't checked. Oh, we also bought garlic and of course banana. We're going back to check the prices. And also we also have bought hot dog and this one because we need butter. Okay, so this was the orange juice that we got, and that cost 34.90 Norwegian crowns. And then the butter, that is 28.14 Norwegian crowns. This is the one that we use whenever we make waffles. Okay, so the prices of the hot dogs are here. So this one costs 79.90 Norwegian crowns, but this is 3 times 600 grams, so 3 of this cost 79.90. The one that we bought, I think this is the one that we bought. This was the one that we bought, I suppose. Yeah, this one here, and this costs 39.90 Norwegian crowns, which is just 600 grams. There was also one more thing that we bought, that was banana, which my kids love to eat, and this is 19.90 Norwegian crowns, this one here. And we also bought garlic. We also bought garlic, so this garlic here, this one, 2 pieces, because we still have more, but tomorrow the store or the grocery store is closed, so we just bought 2 pieces. At least we have in store. This garlic here costs 14.90 Norwegian crowns. And those are the grocery items that we bought for today. It's because we can come here anytime, so we don't buy in bulk. The grocery store is open 6 days a week, so during Sundays the grocery store is closed. Well, this is closed. Kiwi is closed every Sunday, so we can come here from Monday to Saturday. And this is just few blocks away from our house, so we can walk. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes, depends how fast you walk. And if you drive a car like we did today, it was just 2 minutes drive.
Can you open Pringles?
When we come home.
Ah!
Hi!
Ahoy!
Okay, so we are going now.
Balta!
So that is my vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell so you don't miss every time I upload new videos. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your family and friends, so you have idea how much does it cost if you do some grocery errands here in Norway. So those are just some of the basic items that we usually buy, and like what I've said, we didn't need that much for today, and we can come here again on Monday. Today is Saturday. And the waffles, by the way, if I have all the ingredients, I have the recipe. It's not so difficult to make it. You just have to have the waffle maker. Yes, the waffle maker, in order for you to make waffles, and we have it at home. But if you want to follow a recipe, I have the recipe. I can share it one day, but for today I haven't checked what I have at home, so for some reason we just decided to buy the what's that, fardy, which is ready which is already ready mix. Yeah, so we just did that. We just decided to buy the ready mix, so when we come home it's just to add the things that need to be added, like water and eggs and butter, and then it's ready to go. The waffle iron is also already clean, so we can have this cozy afternoon with the kids in the garden, and me and my husband maybe can have some drinks later tonight. So we have a relaxing Saturday, relaxing weekend. I hope that you also have a relaxing weekend. Have a great weekend, and bye. See you again on my next video. So these are the grocery items that we bought. Oh, we just have to taste this photo.
Level 4, then orange green. Nice. Oh, top. And nice. Then. Level 4 Pringles.
Okay, so here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. So we are now going to prepare these waffles ready mix for 16 portions, and I have to prepare 1 liter water. This one I have to prepare 1 liter water and 200 grams butter. So the kids will be happy and excited. So all in all, we had to pay 860.55 grams. Since I haven't seen the price of the 1.75 liters milk, so I got it here at the receipt. I checked it, and that cost 35.40 Norwegian crowns.